There once was a poor kid, a beggar, who thought school was for rich kids and pleasure. So he jumped a long queue to join a hard-working crew until he learned on the job to be clever, savvy.
Ooh, what is it?
It's a compass.
What's a compass?
It's a red arrow that always points north, so you always know if you're heading that way or not.
So, what are these other colors and pointers?
There's 4 main directions. Going this way round the compass, like the hands on a clock. The 4 main directions are north, east, south, and west. Never eat slimy worms.
Yeah, I remember it from zigzagging around the world with news, north, east, west, south.
Don't confuse him. He can make up his own memory rule and figure out these other directions later.
Here's a hint. N equals north and E equals east. So, NNW, north, northwest, which you can see is a bit of a north of northwest. And ENE, east of northeast. See how it still always points north and works best if we lay it flat without any metal nearby.
Ha! If you're so clever, why don't you prove it by taking 1 step north?
Okay, sure.
I think I get it. If I face north and point out with my left arm, then south is behind me. East is my right arm like this, towards the rising sun. And west is that way, where it sets.
Shiver his timbers. He's got it. That's enough spatial mathematics for now. Any questions, lad?
Don't get lost in a sea of questions or careers. How many jobs do you think need navigation skills?
What magic keeps this ship afloat? I weigh only this much, and I sink.
That is a question for Archimedes. He figured it out in his bathtub and got so excited he forgot to get dressed before running to tell his king.
So you want to know the secrets of buoyancy?
Uh-huh.
That's when gravity is pulling down on us, and water has a force that can keep us up. When these forces are equal, we float.
But water is sloshy. Every time I step in, it moves out the way.
Here's the trick. We float if the water that moves aside is heavier, or more dense than our bodies or boats. So the more water we can push aside by spreading out, and the more air that we can keep trapped in the pockets inside our hull to lower our density, the more we can float.
It also helps to paint or coat tar on the timbers so they don't soak up water or rot.
So you can float if you fill your lungs and spread out as much as you can. If you fall overboard, scream. But don't curl up in a ball, or you'll sink for sure.
We also float higher out here in the salt water than in freshwater rivers or creeks, because adding salt makes water heavier. So some things, like an egg, can float in the ocean, but in freshwater it sinks. Like this.
That's enough hydrostatic maths for today. Follow Granny for a chance to get paid.
What has 8 legs and 8 eyes? 8 pirates, course. Hey, what did the pirate yell when he was stabbed in the chest? Army Artie! Why you pirates? 'Cause as we are! Now back to work, mateys. This ain't no time for R and R. Seaweed, are you lazy?
Who, me? Why, Captain, I've been busier than a moth in a mitten. I'd like to buy a clue, but I'm so poor, I keep a tumbleweed as a pet. Now, don't you be talking about yourself like that. I'll surely be doing that after you leave. Darn the crows, Paddy. Like you can talk. You're a few tinnies short of a slab, mate. I've seen sea snails faster than you.
Yeah, he doesn't have all his breakfast in one cupboard.
Congratulations on surviving your first day as a privateer on the good ship Fear Not.
What's a privateer? I thought we were pirates.
Not exactly. We are licensed to recover stolen treasures.
Awesome! That makes us pirates of pirates.
Even better, we get to keep half of all of this. And first crewman to solve the daily puzzle gets first choice of the treasure.
You mean I'll be rich? What's the puzzle?
Today it's a game that needs basic mathematics and creative thinking.
Mathematics? I can't do that. I can hardly say it.
Oh, lad, you've been doing math since the day you were born. It's the very first thing you did right after your instincts kicked in. Cold plus cry equals warm fuzzy blanket. Hungry plus milk equals happy full tummy. Nappy plus poop equals sad and quite smelly. So if your brain wasn't wired for basic maths, you'd be dead already. You also use mathematics every time you make a choice based on logic or weighing your options. And this puzzle is easy. You only have to figure out how to put these 10 coins into these 3 glasses so that each glass only has an odd number of coins in it. You know the difference between odd and even numbers, don't you?
Uh-huh.
Then you're fully qualified, but you can't melt the coins or break the glasses.
Uh-huh. 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 I've got it.
That was fast. Now choose anything you want and take your time. Some things, like your gold compass, are worth more than mere money. You don't need to show anyone your choice until our next adventure.
Huh. Awesome.
No! Put it back! Put it back!